Did you know 91% of Kenyans are hit hard by rising costs? And globally, debt's out of control. Want to take charge of your money? Let's start now. Hey, I'm Hilary, an IT student from Kenya, and welcome to Hilary Saves Smart KE. This channel is all about making budgeting simple for students, families, and anyone, whether you are using M-Pesa or saving dollars abroad. Let's master money together. Why do budgeting really matter? In Kenya, food and fuel prices are up by 10 to 15% yearly. And globally, debts are hitting records, with Canada at 103% of their national income. Budgeting isn't just a call, it's your shield against stress. It helps you save for emergencies, avoid loans with crazy like 20% interest rate, and plan for big goals like school fees or a dream trip. Stay with me as we dive into some of the budgeting tips. If you are in Kenya, M-Pesa is your money lifeline. Check your transaction history to spot sneaky spending, like extra airtime or late night snacks. Free apps like Money Manager sync with M-Pesa to track every shilling. Whether you are budgeting for a matatu fare or school fees, it's a game changer. Open your M-Pesa app right now, scroll through and see where you can save. Let's get started with Hilary Save Smart KE. Here is a global hack, the 50-30-20 rule. With this, split your income into 50% for needs like rent and food stuff, 30% for wants like Netflix or a new purchase, and 20% for savings or paying off debts. Whether you are earning 10,000 Kenyan shillings or $1,000 abroad, it works. Imagine with 10,000 Kenyan shillings, that is 5,000 Kenyan shillings for household, 3,000 Kenyan shillings for purchases, and 2,000 Kenyan shillings to grow your money. Try this month. Grab a calculator or an app and divide your pay. It's that simple. No need to stress. Start small with just 100 Kenyan shillings a week in a SACCO or $1 in a savings app. It adds up fast. Remember, 100 Kenyan shillings weekly is over 5,000 Kenyan shillings in a year. Whether you are a student in Kenya or working abroad, small wins build big habits. Use your phone to set a reminder. As of my IT tip, try Google Calendar or a free app. Start today and watch your money grow with the Hilary Save Smart KE. That's budgeting 101 with Hilary Save Smart KE. You've got the tools to save. Track with M-Pesa. Try the 50-30-20 rule and start small. Thanks for joining me. What's your biggest money challenge? Drop it in the comments and let's solve it together. Next time, we see on how to track every shilling without stress. Hit the subscribe button and join the smart saving journey. See you soon.